toe scrunch and splay. And it's done for 30 repetitions in each direction. The next exercise is what people commonly know as the ankle pump. So keeping the toes still, you're just flexing and extending at the ankle joint itself. 30 repetitions in each direction. The third exercise is the rollout technique, which is basically a massage or soft tissue technique for the plantar fasciitis. This can be done by applying minimum to moderate pressure in the sitting position or moderate to high pressure in the standing position, depending on the stage of tissue healing. The fourth exercise is the self-mobilization technique. So supporting at the heel, you're going to take the toes into extension and flexion passively. 30 repetitions in each direction.